Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in the browser. Open Chrome and sign into the Google account that controls your searches. Once done, go to Google. And click Settings at the bottom right, then choose Search Settings. You need to find the Hide Explicit Results option. This is Safesearch. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so your change will stick for that profile. Now locate the toggle. In the next step, you will turn it off and save the change. Now flip the switch. Uncheck or toggle off Hide Explicit Results, so explicit content is no longer filtered from search results. After changing the setting, scroll to the bottom and click Save to apply this preference to your Google account. Make sure to confirm any prompts. Google may ask for your password to verify it's really you changing content controls. Once saved, the change applies immediately to searches on that. Finish by testing a search phrase that used to be filtered. If results don't change, clear Chrome's cache and restart the browser, then test again. If the Safe Search toggle is locked or grayed out, check for family link, school or work admin settings, or a supervised profile that enforces filtering. Those require parental or admin removal. If problems persist, try signing into a different Google profile or use an incognito window to see whether an extension or profile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.